Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, i-unbox ko tong nabili kong printer na Epson 2720. Sabi nila, good for beginner daw to. Kung gusto mong i-convert yung printer mo, regular printer into a sublimation printer. So ito yung kailangan natin for today. Transfer ko lang siya dito sa mga containers. Ayan.
May counting lang pala to.
That's black.
May color pala na cyan. Yan yung tipong pag na-miss mo yung pag na-miss mo yung opportunity. Cyan! Magenta! Yung tipong
Ubus ang paninda?
ubos ang pinita. Magenta! What's next?
Hugasan na siya lahat. Parang purple yung black. Mabilis lang siyang hugasan itong pinaka-bottle.
Parang ink ng squid.
Lalatag ko siya dito. Hiyaan ko siyang mag-air dry for 24 hours. Alright, Tcharam! To be continued! Okay, we're done filling up the bottles and we're ready to transfer them on our Ecotank. I'll do the black first. Okay, it says connect the power cord to the back of the product and to an electrical outlet. To find it. It's here.
Okay, caution, do not connect to your computer yet. Raise the control panel, like that. Then press the power button to turn on the product. Okay. Select your language. Okay, it's in English. Press OK. See the Start Here bundle with printer or on website to complete initialization. Okay, when instructed to see the Start Here sheet, press and hold the help button for 5 seconds. Okay, this is the help button. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press the start button to start ink charging. So this is the start button. Nandito tayo. We'll press this one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 10 minutes.
Okay, so we're done with the ink charging. It says press OK when done. Okay, and then we'll adjust the print head. Okay, I'll just follow the instruction. So dito na tayo sa step 3, loading the paper. Okay, it's time to test print. Starting to see the colors. It's so beautiful. So pretty. OMG guys, look at those colors. So vibrant. So beautiful. Oh, ganda! So pretty. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Ready, set, go.
Moment of truth.
Ay, ang ganda! Daddy, look! Wow! Ang ganda!
Ganda naman.
Ito na lang yung natira sa ink niya. Ang ganda, Daddy!
Ano, lagyan natin sa table.
Pretty! Ganda! Diba? Wow! So pretty! Ganda! Diba ang vibrant, Daddy? Like it! Ang ganda!